true that a lot of people run away from you?
No, they don't. Everybody loves me. I mean, why would they want to run away? Shit, I'm a naturalist, tree hugger, just help everybody out. Everybody's my friend.
I would like to add to the record, Your Honor, that Mr. Wolf is threatening everybody. These are evidence of 911 calls.
Objection, Your Honor. Most of those calls are from the boy who cried wolf.
I will take that into advisement. Continue.
No further questions, Mr. Wolf.
Mr. Wolf, you're dismissed. With no further witnesses to be listened to at this time, we'll hear closing arguments from our attorneys. We'll begin first with the defense attorney. 1 minute statement, closing statement.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I think I have presented that reasonable doubt about the big bad wolf. The boy who cried wolf. The three little pigs, which everybody loves bacon. They had a picture of their father, what happened to him on their own wall. Little Red Riding Hood, who is still here, who didn't obey her mother. What makes you think that Little Red Riding Hood would tell the truth in this courtroom if she disobeys her own mother? The wolf, who from his own testimony in Mary Cracken's jury, that the wolf is in fact a good wolf. He has a neighborhood improvement association that he works with. He's an environmentalist. The wolf, henceforth, should not be called the big bad wolf, but in fact, the wolf with no voice inclination behind his name, just Mr. Wolf.
Madam Prosecutor, 1 minute.
Your Honor, jury of the court, I respectfully address Mr. Wolf as a dangerous, evil person. All of the things that he's doing for goodwill is for him to gather information about every single innocent life that he's planning on taking. He premeditates every single thing. Our society needs to be protected from this type of people who look very goody-goody, but at the very end, their intentions are very dangerous. Protect your children, protect your lives, and let's put Mr. Wolf in prison. Thank you.
Thank you. Instruction to the jury. Jury number 1, this is Jerome. Jury number 2, Debbie. Glad to see you again, Debbie. And our head juror. You'll have 5 minutes to confer with one another to come up with a verdict for this trial. Your verdict is based solely upon what you heard in this courtroom today. Anything you read in the newspaper, the fairy tale to sell, is not relevant today. Just based upon the testimony. In your decision, you can judge the character of every person who testified, but nothing outside of this courtroom will be a part of your decision. You have 5 minutes to do so. I'm asking our defense attorney to now put on his sergeant at arms hat and to give them 5 minutes to escort them, give them 5 minutes to make their decision. And then at that point, we'll come back and our head juror, our foreman, will give us the verdict. Give them a hand. And get yourselves a hand. You guys are great.
He's going to give them hits.
No, he's trustworthy. They can carry themselves. If you feel better, you can do so as well. Yeah, but they don't take yours.
I think the defense one.
Okay, let's take a vote. We'll do our own personal votes while we're waiting. Who thinks the big bad wolf is guilty based upon what we heard here today? Show of hands. Who thinks that he's innocent based upon what we heard here today?
Reasonable doubt.
Yeah, I was going to say innocent. Innocent. Reasonable doubt.
Reasonable doubt. But even the DNA evidence, blood on his teeth, that didn't convince you? No? Or DNA could be, that's pretty convincing. What about blood on the boot? Didn't that kind of make you feel bad?
Circumstantial.
Circumstantial, okay. Didn't she look so innocent?
Mm-hmm.
Very
I could look innocent too. Keep that in mind.
Okay, so within the room, you know, when people caught, they always had people inside of think where it was going to be, and then later on you find out what actually comes back. So the consensus is that, even for yourself, that has been found not guilty.
Quite honestly, after I was reading a lot about the case, I was reading out how much they impersonate the wolf as a bad character just from the Terry Fells. So I myself think that he might be innocent.
You did a great job.
Yeah.
You did a really fantastic job with the props and everything you did.
I mean, I'm very convincing. And then Ron did an excellent job. Oh, that's just great. You guys
That
did
boy,
a
that
great
great
job.
Yeah, that was
That was hysterical.
911 call.
Oh, where we got that picture from?
Yes. Yeah. Danny said, my favorite.
This was a great idea.